Hello and good morning. Welcome back. Today is the 25th of February 2022. I'm your host, Maurice Rothwell, international trading coach here at Traders Club 24 in Hamburg, and we're logged in for the morning market opening trade in the DAX. Welcome. Let me switch over the screen into the MetaTrader 4. We have the DAX market open and our SwissBox trading tool here in the top right hand corner. This is what we're going to be using to open and activate all of our trades in the market. For those of you who are familiar with it, welcome back. Thank you for joining once again. And for the new faces, it's a very simple trading tool for the user, for yourself, and it works just like so. Over here we have box lines. So if I click this button, it's going to turn the box lines on. And the box lines are these two lines in the chart, the red one and the green one. These are representing two pending orders. The green one is a buy stop pending order and the red one is a sell stop pending order. In the middle of those two lines, we'll see 12.5. That's telling us that there's 12.5 points of range in the market price between the two lines. Ultimately, what we want to do is we're going to use these two lines as a trap for the market. And we want to trap the market in between those two lines before we expect any kind of breakout or any big movement. So hence why we're trading just before the market opening here in Germany. So it's 8:56, market opens at 9 a.m. At the market opening, we get the collision of the futures and the cash market with the Frankfurt Stock Exchange opening. And yeah, we should see a collision of the prices and there should be some volatility that comes through. In the chart over here, we've got a big number, this purple line, and we've got our daily pivot in there also with our Fibonacci's dotted around. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to place my trap over the top and I'm going to activate that trap now. We consider these purple lines in the market price to be pivot points, sort of magnetizing the market price between them. Ultimately, what's going to happen here is as soon as the market comes up into this box, it's going to fall into the trap. As it falls into the trap, the two pending orders either side will be activated. And then as it falls away or as it breaks out of that trap range, it's going to activate one of those trades. At that moment, a take profit line will appear in the chart, which is a blue line. Take profit is already predetermined due to our settings within the SwissBox. And yeah, as soon as the market reaches that price level, the trade is closed and we should be in and out very, very quickly. However, as you know, not everything is perfect in an imperfect world. So as if the market is to activate the first trade and then withdraw or retrace or bounce back, what it's going to do is it's going to activate a trade in the opposite direction. And we can continue to do this, activating trades in both directions until we catch the breakout of the morning. So at this point, when we're using the SwissBox, direction is irrelevant to us. It's just the volatility that we're looking for. So to have a good guess or to have an idea of when the volatility is going to occur is a much easier task to accomplish than to consistently guess the correct direction of the market. We can make all the chart analysis we wish and fundamental analysis, and we can have a very good idea of where the market may go. However, as we all know, the market has its own mind and does its own thing, so it can just as easily go in both directions. So that's how we've got this SwissBox. So right now we're not really bothered in which direction it goes. We just want to trap the market in the box and we want the market to move in a direction. As long as that happens, then we should be able to we should be in and out of our trades with profit to spare. So here we come. We're coming up now, a bit bullish on the candle just before the market opening, 30 seconds. And as we come into the box, there now it's activated. And now that it's activated, taking some time. So there's the activation. There's the first trade. And as you can see, as the trade comes up, we've activated a buy. So we're long in the market, green triangle pointing upwards, first trade. This blue line is our take profit. Here we have two. There's the second trade activated. And as the market comes down past the blue line, what's going to happen is it's going to close the two trades together, and over the top, we should then have a leftover profit of 0.076%. We can also customize this take profit and move it like so. So a little bit choppy at the moment with the market due to political fundamental situations at the moment. So political tensions, should I say. And there it is. We should have got that close on the trade now. And there we are, one trade closed, and that's 0.13% on there with the extra volatility that came through. So 1 minute into the market opening, and we are in and out of our market opening trade. Thank you all for watching. That's our Friday DAX market opening trade. We'll be back on Monday for the Monday morning market opening trade in the DAX. So please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And if you would like to, don't forget to join the website to hit up the masterclass. We are here all week. So take care and have a good weekend. Bye. So thank you for watching, guys, and keeping up with our live trading room. If you want to see more content involving a range of different other trading products, please hit that like and subscribe button and we will create for you.